brittle stars. So like there are starfish, there are brittle stars. So brittle stars are related to sea lilies. That's what they're called, feather stars, and they come from very, very, very long ago. So an example of a brittle star is a basket star, so also known as Urialina, and it uses many limbs. So what they do is basically have like kind of like a barnacle style of living, or like a sea lily style of living. They basically anchor themselves onto the seafloor and just branch their arms out to eat. So this might be confused with the sea lily, but it's not. It's a brittle star. So it uses many limbs to catch zooplankton and feast on them. Like it catches the zooplankton on its limbs and then brings it to its mouth once it has enough. The mouth is basically the center of the starfish right here, and all the limbs like bend down to get it. So it just hooks onto rocks similar to a barnacle to catch zooplankton. The next one is an Ophiothrix fragilis. This doesn't really have a common name, but it's really called, but people just call it Ophiothrix fragilis. So it's a brightly colored variation of the brittle star. It lives in the coast of England and Europe. So this is what a common brittle star would look like: long, spindly arms with multiple feathers, multiple like hairs on their legs, and these are the ones that lived during the Ordovician period, like along with the sea lilies and the feather stars. Then the next one is the Ophiacantha, similar to the Ophiothrix fragilis. So it's one of the most common version of brittle stars, and like is very it's like one of the most traditional brittle stars you can find in the sea. It also lives very deep in the ocean, like below the continental shelf, and its diet basically consists of just whatever it can find on the seafloor. It's usually carnivorous, eats whatever it can find, like some snails, mussels, similar to the starfish's diet. That's all for brittle stars. Okay, next are sea cucumbers. Okay, so a sea cucumber it got its name by looking like a cucumber, as you can see, and there are many different types. Like there's thousands of different types, but here are just three.